Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Audi A3 and we're going to do the side chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the vehicle. It's just your regular side door chrome panel, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it matches the pillars of the vehicle and also gives it a more sportier look to the vehicle. If you like the product, link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panels. So to prep the vehicle, you could wash the vehicle, that way you're able to remove any contaminants that the panels may have. Or another option would be using the spray bottle, applying water and baby shampoo onto the bottle, spraying the solution onto your microfiber towel, and just wipe off all the contaminants that the panel may have. And once you're done cleaning the panel, make sure that everything is dry, because if there's still water on the panel itself, the water will damage the adhesive on the film and will cause the film to be lifting and not tacked down. So make sure the whole panel is dry before doing the installation. So once the panel is ready for installation, grab the film, and you're going to start by aligning it on this edge first. So align the film right on the edge. Give yourself just a little bit of extra material, that way you cover all of the chrome. If the film is touching this panel, it's perfectly fine, because afterwards we could trim it, and then just follow the lower half of the trim as a guide in order to align the film. And just make sure you give yourself a little bit of material to cover the inside here. And with this one, you're going to need to lower the window, that way you're able to tuck in the film inside. Okay, so now that we have the film tacked down, all we need to do is just squeegee the film, and then any excess material that we have, we could trim it off, as long as we make sure we cover all of the chrome. And we just do the same here. Make sure it goes wrapped around. And to just help ensure the film won't lift over time, that's when we apply heat. That way the film stays tacked down on this edge here. But first, we need to focus on tacking down the film. And now with this one, on the top layer of the panel, there is a small gap where you could trim off the excess material. And so that small gap, that's where you would trim it off and then just continue tacking down the film. So grab your blade, find that gap, and start trimming off that excess material. Here, just do the same for this other section here. Find the gap and then just trim off the excess material. So you see when you move it, there's a gap between the gasket and the panel. That's where you would trim it off and just tuck it back inside. And then trim off the excess material here. So first lift the film to tack down on the inside. Once we tack it down, find the gap and trim off that excess material. And that's pretty much it. And then remove the excess material from the other edge. And then once we're done removing the excess material, add heat to help the film tack down. Okay, and now this one's pretty much done, and now we can move on with the bottom piece. So this one, align it here, make sure you cover in the chrome, follow the bottom half of the trim as the guide, and then once you place the film, grab your squeegee, tack it down. And then once everything's tacked down, you remove all of the little air bubbles, then we can move on with trimming off the excess material. This one is almost the same as the top. When you have the vehicle, you're gonna see a small gasket. The gasket, lift it, tuck in the film, and then just trim off the excess material right in the middle of the gasket and the panel. Trim it off here, trim it off over there, add heat, and you're basically done. And then the same steps that you did for these two, rinse and repeat for the rear panel, and then this one will be the last piece. Okay, so now we're moving on to the last panel here. So with this one, we recommend starting from the corner edge here first. So make sure you give yourself enough material to cover around the curved area here. And then place the film down. Make sure everything is covered before you start installing the rest of the film. Looks like everything is going to get covered. So now just align and place the rest of the film to the panel. And it should be like this. Lift the film here and just align it on the bottom half as well, and just like that. And then with a little bit of heat, we're going to help the film form into this curve here, because if we leave it like that, it's just going to lift over time. We're going to need to apply heat to help it tack down on all around the edges here. So when you're applying heat, take your time. You can use your finger to help it tack down to the curve like this, and then once you finish everything, continue on with the rest. And for this area here, we are going to need to apply heat as well. That way we help the film tack down to the panel here. Because if you just go about it without applying heat, it's just going to lift. So just add heat and just help it tack down until it covers all of the chrome. Okay, and then once we finish tacking down the whole film, the last thing to do is just trim off all the extra material that we have around the edges. And then once we're done trimming off the extra material, the last thing would be to post heat the whole panel, post heat this one, and post heat the other ones that we started in the beginning. So grab your blade, find the small gap between the gasket and the chrome, do an outline, and trim it from there. Okay, so the last thing to do, like I said, once you finish installing all the set, is post heat. The reason to post heating is to help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and it helps it secure better to the panel as well. And also it helps the film stay in position, that way it doesn't shrink over time, so it just stays onto the panel. So just heat all around the film, and then once you're done post heating, you're done with the installation. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the Chrome Delete installation for the side doors for the 2023 Audi A3. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Don't forget to check out our other Chrome Delete installation for the Audi A3 on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.